Okay, so for this one we are asked to prove that JUR and LUH are congruent. So JUR over here, LUH over here. It is important to know that the way we're going to do this is by creating linear pairs and then saying that they add up to 180. And so since these two and either one of these, either that one or that one, we can use either one to prove that they make linear pairs and add up to 180, they would then share one of these two angles. And we could subtract that from 180, which would prove that these two angles are congruent. So what we need to do first, though, is look at the proof and see which angle they decided to use. Did they use the top angle or the bottom angle? And so they're saying JUR and HUJ are supplementary. So JUR and HUJ would be these two. And then the other pair that we're going to use is going to be the pair that also has that angle included in it. So we're going to make the statement that measure of angle JUR plus the measure of angle HUJ is equal to 180 degrees. And this would have been linear pair because they made a straight line. So we used JUR and HUJ. We need to use this one for the other set, not not this one. That would not do us any good because it does make a linear pair, but we do not have a pair of angles that are shared. So it has to be these two. And we can also see down there LUH, HUJ. Here's LUH, here's HUJ. That's a clue that that's the one we need to use as well. So angle LUH and angle HUJ are supplementary. Because of linear pair, they are 180 because of definition of supplementary. Now, as we have done many times before, that's equal to 180, that's equal to 180, so they must be equal to each other. Measure of angle JUR plus measure of angle HUJ is equal to measure of angle LUH plus the measure of angle HUJ. Because of the transitive property. Now we can see that they both do have HUJ on each side, so we can subtract HUJ from both sides. And what is left is JUR and LUH. Since their measures are the same, they are congruent.